ਰਿਹਾ ਸ਼ਮਾਦਾਨ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਕਿਹਾ ਤਾਂ ਹਨੇਰਾ ਜਰੇਗਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੁੱਪ ਰਿਹਾ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਮਾਦਾਨ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਗੀਤ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਇਸ ਰਾਤ ਜੇ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੇਰਾ ਜੀਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਕਿੰਜ ਸਹਿਣਗੇ ਗੀਤ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਇਸ ਰਾਤ ਜੇ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੇਰਾ ਜੀਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਕਿੰਜ ਸਹਿਣਗੇ इस अदालत च बंदे बिरख हो गए फैसले सुनदे सुक गए इस अदालत च बंदे बिरख
It's a city under siege. With 1 out of every 4 people now infected, India's capital, New Delhi, is in crisis. Hospitals have run out of everything from beds to oxygen cylinders, ventilators, and the drugs needed to manage infected patients. This 1,000-bed field hospital was set up overnight with help from the Indian military. But only a few hours after 250 beds became operational, it had reached capacity. Still, the patients keep coming. Dr. Parveen Saini, a scientist with India's Centre for Scientific and Industrial Research, is one of them. He can barely breathe.
पर हमारे ऑर्डर यही है कि अंदर से किसी कोई अंदर बंद नहीं होगा ये हम नहीं बोल सकते घर ले जाओ कि हम नहीं बोल सकते ये भी नहीं बोल सकते आप आगे जाइए
His elderly uncle's appeals to the gods have failed. Dr. Saini's sister Shweta cannot believe what's happening.
Yeah, we are still searching this app. It says कि these many beds are available in this hospital. जब तक वहाँ जाते it's closed.
With no beds available and no solution in sight, the family leaves to try their luck at another hospital. If there's one place in New Delhi where the lines are longer than at hospitals, it's at Nigambodh Ghat, the city's largest crematorium. Ambulances bringing the bodies from hospitals are being asked to wait for 4 or more hours.
लोगों ने मजाक समझ रखा है कोविड का 2 पेशेंट मेरी गाड़ी में एक्सपायर हो गए इसी गाड़ी में आखिरी बेड अवेलेबल नहीं है मैं अस्पताल लेके जाता जबकि वो दम ही तोड़ दिया
All around us, people are in shock, unable to fathom what's going on. Pandit Madhav has worked here as a priest for 7 years.
हाथ जोड़ के भगवान विष्णु का ध्यान करो युद्ध ही है समझ लो एक तरीके मैंने जी बिल्कुल अपनी ज़िंदगी में अभी तक तो नहीं देखा जितना रश आप और बॉडी डबल ट्रिपल आ रही है कोविड की बॉडी सबसे ज़्यादा आ रही है
With the numbers expected to rise all over India, graveyards and crematoriums have made urgent appeals to their respective governments to increase capacity. Dr. Ramanan Lakshmi Narayan is one of India's leading epidemiologists. He's concerned about a deadly new strain that has become associated with the country's second wave.
So the major uniquely Indian strain is the B1617. It is spread widely not just in India, specifically Maharashtra, but it is now growing in prevalence in the UK as well. So clearly the transmission of strains is in multiple ways. We don't yet have evidence on the transmissibility or the lethality of the strain, and we also don't have evidence on how well the vaccine works against the strain, the Covishield and the Covaxin. But at the end of the day, unless India is able to control COVID, the world is not going to be done with COVID.
Dr. Ramanan and other experts have called on the Indian government to immediately ban all large gatherings, some of which may have triggered the second wave. And yet, in places like the state of West Bengal, which is currently holding an election, people continue to assemble in large numbers. Heavily criticized in recent days is the Kumbh Mela, a large gathering of Hindus that was allowed to take place in early April despite mounting evidence that it had become a super spreader event. Thousands of pilgrims who attended have tested positive for COVID-19. Prime Minister Modi's Hindu nationalist government did not cancel the Kumbh Mela for several days. Eventually, the Prime Minister appealed to the clerics to make it a symbolic event amid protests from attending pilgrims. But it's not just large gatherings that are of concern. In New Delhi, Dr. Harjeet Bhatti is worried about underserved communities.
सब जगह कर रहे हैं बच्चे आप ये लगाओ मास्क लगा इसके सेंटर में हाथ मत लगाओ.
Today, he's in Nehru Nagar, a slum that borders an upper middle class neighborhood in the heart of Delhi.
डॉक्टर्स ऑन रोड इनिशिएटिव जो है ये बहुत बड़ी मदद कर सकता है क्योंकि हम जिन एरियाज़ में आ रहे हैं मैक्सिमम पेशेंट जो हैं इन्हीं एरियाज से जाते हैं पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में जो क्योंकि यहाँ पे वेंटिलेशन प्रॉपर नहीं है, हाइजीन प्रॉपर नहीं है, अवेयरनेस प्रॉपर नहीं है.
There are some challenges that even Dr. Bhatti cannot address.
डिस्टेंस भी आप मतलब ये देखिए दीवार में आप कहाँ से आप 2 गज की दूरी कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे.
As the numbers continue to rise across India, the government has announced that it will open up vaccinations for everyone above the age of 18 by May 1st.